Hello and welcome to In the Can. And today I'm going to make a nectarine pie. In the bowl I have a half-gallon of frozen nectarines that I sliced up and froze. So it's approximately 4 or 5 cups. To that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, a pinch of nutmeg, an 1/8 teaspoon of salt, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 cup of sugar. Ooh. Get the seeds out of this lemon juice. And 1 and one-half tablespoons of lemon juice. I've already made my pie crust. I used a Jiffy Mix box pie crust. So now I need to mix this to get it all coated. And you hear the crunching. That is because the nectarines are still frozen. So now that I have my nectarines coated, I'm going to pour them into my pie crust. Along with the goodness from the bowl. And now I'm going to cover it with my falling apart top crust. But that's alright. It does not have to be perfect. Let's see if I can get any more of this pie crust loose from here. It'll all work out in the end. So here's my pie as it looks. I'm putting it into a preheated 325 degree oven for 20 minutes. Then I will turn the heat down to 375 and finish it off for 40 minutes. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and my pie has been baked. And I've allowed it to cool for about an hour. It looks like it has a little bit of juice in it. I've cut it. So now I'm going to try and get a piece out. Oh, that's not bad. So here's my pie. Now I left the peel on the nectarines, and it gives you a little bit of something to chew on. The nectarines themselves are really, really soft. It's a good pie. Actually, it tastes very, very good. So if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and subscribe and give this recipe a try. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again.